There's been questions around that. I think we just want to put record straight that it was natural death in as far as we're concerned, and he had some bit of complication in relation to breathing, which was abruptly, and paramedics were called at home and was attended to, which we really appreciate the professional nature in which the paramedics attended to the incident. And then unfortunately he couldn't make it, so we just want to clear the air that it's a natural death and there's nothing
Yes.
101, 102,
Yes.
103, 104, 105, 106. Okay, to the nearest 10. Now
back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngendaba ke esematheni noma ke ingemnandi kodwa ke sikhuluma ngayo ke eyokudlula ke komlingisi uwodumo oPresley Tshweni Yahaye. Guys, umndeni ke ubone kungcono ukuthi uze futhi la ku media uzocacisa ukuthi ke kwenzekeni ke ngampela ngempilo ke yelunga lawo ke lomndeni okunguPresley Tshweni Yahaye. Bathi ke there was no foul play. It was due to natural causes. He struggled to breathe and basebiza ama paramedics kodwa ke afike ke seku late ngoba ke umoya wakhe ubusuhlukene ke nenyama. Bese bekuningi ke izinto abantu besezisho la izinkundleni zokuxhumana besho ukuthi abanye bethi mhlawumbe uyibulela, abanye bethi mhlawumbe ushayiswa imoto accident, abanye bethi ke mhlawumbe udutshuliwe. Yabona bekuningi, abanye bathi udlise upoisoniwe because mangabe ningezwa ukuthi umuntu udliwe yini, especially mangade ningazi nizwe ukuthi ke uyagula, kuba njalo vele guys, abantu bayicabangela into abayicabangayo ke, kodwa ke umndeni ke usukucacisile ukuthi cha Nkosi yami uPresley uvele nje wahluleka ke ukuphefumula. Abanye bayibuza ukuthi hayibo iCovid isibuyile phela, ngoba Nkosi yami izinto ezihlangana nokuhluleka ukuphefumula zinento yokwenza neCovid, asazi ke bayithi, kodwa ke we are praying ukuthi leso sifo singake siphinde sibuye, ngoba ayibo sabaqeda abantu isifo seCovid. So we are hoping ukuthi nje bekokunye ukugula ongahlangene ke neCovid guys. So yeah bakithi zinjalo ke indaba, you can comment nawe ushare ke bakithi ukuthi umkhumbula ke kumuphi umdlalo. Mina nje ngaba nobudlelwane naye as a character kakhulu laphana ke with the river, ngendlela ke ayidlala ke ngakhona uCobreeze uhlupho ekuthasha isingisi smosive uyabo. So that way I develop the relationship, because as thina mabukeli sinama relationship amaningi nabantu esibabuka ku TV, we fall in love with them, we hate them, you know. So as uCobreeze guys, I fall in love with him, indlela ke abedlala ngakhona nendlela nje ubumbona ukuthi effortless ngendlela beactor ngakhona guys. So sizomkhumbula kakhulu ndike bakithi ngathi ke umndeni ke ungaduduzeka kulesikhathi ke esinzima ke odlula ke kuso. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share with us ukuthi wena umkhumbula kumuphi umdlalo